Right, welcome to Make a Repair. I've been asked to take a quick look at this Sanyo portable cassette recorder. You may kind of wonder, well, why don't you just turn it on? Because often the issue with these are the belts inside, that they turn to a sort of gooey mush, and if you turn it on, just make it harder for yourself to sort it out afterwards. And I can kind of see the first problem: there's no plug. The cable is very perished here. So already our costs are starting to go up. We've got a cable we need to buy. Oh, we can get in the battery compartment. Oh no, that's not gonna. There we go. We've got some giving out. Oh, ah, dear. Oh, it's the worst. Oh, that is just the worst I've ever seen. I'm kind of hesitant to remove these because the damage is going to be so extensive. Let's find some gloves. There you go. Nurse, hand me the sledgehammer. Oh, yeah, not nice. No wonder it was completely stuck. And it's not just two of them, there's four of them. Oh, yeah. I don't know whether to just kind of stop now. I mean, look at that. That is just powder. There's no connector left there at all, I don't think. It is literally powder. There you go, now we're ready. Thank you. Thank you for such high quality non-leaking batteries. Oh, the two terminals at the top don't look too bad. So now I've got no terminal left in there at all. It's completely gone. This one is still there, sort of. Badly corroded, of course. Wow. So I did continue taking it apart. It didn't look too bad, but it had corroded bearings, metalwork, transistor legs and such like, and that just meant it's really a write-off, and the belts were all stretched and things as well. But I thought I'd show it to you because it's so bad. And an example of what happens when you store battery-powered equipment with the batteries still in. Anyway, I hope you were suitably horrified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your own tales of woe in the comments. And of course, all good horror stories should be shared. So see you next time, take care, and bye for now.